Well, good afternoon YouTube, and welcome along to another episode of Silver Fox Travels. Today is the 2nd of January, so Happy New Year to everybody. I hope you had a great time, and I'm taking this opportunity, seeing how it's dry and sunny, to get out and have a little ride. Testing a couple of new bits of kit, and we'll see how we get on. Now, the new kit that I've got, you've seen the gloves already. These are the RST Paragon 6 heated gloves, and I've got it set on its highest setting now, just to keep my hands warm, and I have to say I can feel it nice and toasty in there. The other new piece of kit that I'm wearing, you can't see it, are the socks that I've got. I saw a video of somebody doing a little bit of a review on bike socks, and I decided to go for these on his recommendation. I'm pleased to say they're actually quite warm. The socks are made by Gold Top. They're merino wool lined, and they come right up to your knees, and I have to say my feet feel quite comfortable. Now, I'm not going very far, I'm just having a little bit of a ride out. I'm going to find somewhere for a coffee and then make my way back, but it's just a bit of a test, see how things go. As I said, it's the 2nd of January, and the temperature today was, I think the highest was supposed to be about 3, with a low of 0. I think at the moment, around about 3. Although I would guess with the wind chill, you could probably put a minus on that, and then some. I'm going to have to watch out for the icy bits in the shade, and there's bound to be a few, but it's a lovely day, so let's make the most of it. Now, whilst the bike was in the garage, I kept it hooked up to the Optimate battery charger, and it's kept everything in tip-top condition. There were no struggling with it starting when I took it out this afternoon, and it's been perfect. So I would recommend the Optimate chargers as an excellent bit of kit to have. I've been out for about half an hour so far, and I have to say that my hands are really nice and toasty warm. These gloves are on the highest setting at the moment, but that's perfect for me now. And these socks that I've got on, the Gold Top socks, as I said, they come up to the knee, and everything from below the knee to my toes is really quite warm. I can feel the cold from my knees to my thigh, but that's being kept in check by the long johns that I'm wearing. I was going to say base layers, but let's be honest, the long johns. have Kirkstall Abbey on our right hand side before too long. Going to be a few changes made to the Cub this year, but what they are I'm going to keep under my hat, or should that be helmet, and I'll let you know how they progress as they actually happen. But I think you'll be pleased with the final result. I'm pretty sure I will be. Well, I need to get some petrol before long. The indicator's flashing at me now saying that it's getting low. Although so far I've only done, what, about 0.6 of a mile on the reserve. So, no great rush. Anyway, here's Kirkstall Abbey on our right. Hope you can see that. Anyway, that's about enough chat from me now. I know where there's a Costa Coffee not too far from here, so I'm going to go along, get myself a nice warm drink, and maybe even a little sandwich or something. We'll see. Well, that coffee shop unfortunately was absolutely packed to the door, and I wasn't going to sit around or stand around and wait, so thought I'd just get straight back on the bike. Filled up with some petrol at Morrison's there at £1.47, £1.47.9 I think it was. That'll do, and off we go. Right, well, I'm slowly making my way back, as I say, so I'll pretty much end it there. Hope you all had a really great New Year's and an excellent Christmas, and I hope Santa brought you everything you ever needed. Oh, it's a bit slippery there. And in the usual way, I'll say, look after yourselves, look after the people around you, and until next time, bye for now.